How to create a Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to create an account on Facebook. In order to create an account on Facebook, first of all you'll have to install the application. So for that, go to your Google Play Store and on the search box type in Facebook. Once you type in Facebook, it's going to show you this kind of interface. Go and tap the install button. In my case, I already have installed, so I'm just going to tap the open button. And at the same time, I also have multiple accounts, so I've logged out currently. But when you open up a Facebook for the first time, your interface will look something different. So all you have to do is just look for an option that says create new account. If you tap on login into another account, this indicates that you already have an account. And to log into your account, all you have to do is just go ahead and type in your information such as your credential and you'll be logged in. But in order to create an account, click the create new account button and go ahead and tap on get started with. After that, go ahead and type in your first name and then the last name and tap the next button. Once you've done that, go ahead and select your name and click the next button, and for the age verification, type in your date of birth and click the set button or the next button option and select your gender type and click the next button. For the contact details, you'll be asked to provide in either one of it, so you can either sign up with your email address or with your phone number. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same, so all you can do is you can select either one of it and tap the next button. And since you're creating an account, it's mandatory for you to go ahead and create a password. So type in a password, click the next button, then you'll be taken to the home page, which indicates that you've successfully created your Facebook account. And now you can begin with the creation of your bio, your profile picture, your adding members to your Facebook, and all sort of things. So that's basically how you can create an account on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.